Are you looking to make money online? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this video, we will delve into the realm of making money quickly and for free online. We will explore various methods that can help you generate income in a short span of time without any initial investment. The tone of this video is geared towards providing you with informative and actionable strategies that you can implement right away to start earning money online. By following the guidelines and tips shared here, you will be able to tap into the potential to earn a significant income through the discussed methods. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash on the side or aiming to establish a sustainable online income stream, the insights shared in this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to making money fast and free online, and get ready to take your first steps towards financial freedom and success in the digital world. To make money through affiliate marketing with Bluehost, the first step is to join the Bluehost affiliate program. Once you are a member, focus on answering relevant questions related to web hosting, domains, and website building on platforms like Quora. By providing valuable insights and subtly incorporating Bluehost recommendations in your responses, you can attract potential customers. It is crucial to avoid posting affiliate links directly in your answers to prevent removal and potential account issues. Instead, aim to build credibility and trust among users by offering genuine advice and solutions to their queries. Another effective strategy is to create blog posts that include affiliate links to Bluehost services. You can utilize free platforms like Google Sites or Wix to host your blog and promote it to a wider audience. By sharing informative content that educates readers on the benefits of Bluehost and how it can enhance their online presence, you can increase the likelihood of earning commissions through affiliate sales. Remember to optimize your blog posts with relevant keywords and engaging visuals to attract more traffic and improve your chances of converting visitors into customers. With dedication and strategic promotion, you can leverage the power of affiliate marketing with Bluehost to generate a steady income stream and establish yourself as a trusted authority in the web hosting industry. Start implementing these guidelines today and unlock the potential to earn passive income through affiliate marketing with Bluehost. To create and sell digital products to make money online, start by identifying common questions and pain points from your social media followers. Use these insights to develop specific digital products that address their needs and provide valuable solutions. Platforms like Canva or Google Docs can be utilized to create digital products for free, allowing you to design visually appealing ebooks, guides, templates, or courses. Focus on delivering high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and offers practical benefits. Once your digital products are ready, it's time to promote and sell them effectively. Consider using platforms like Gumroad or Gbolt systems to showcase and distribute your products to a wider audience. These platforms offer secure payment processing and easy integration options, making it convenient for customers to purchase your digital offerings. Implement marketing strategies such as email campaigns, social media promotions, and collaborations with influencers to increase visibility and drive sales. Leverage the power of storytelling and testimonials to build credibility and trust with potential buyers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their positive experiences to attract new customers. Monitor the performance of your digital products and gather feedback to continuously improve and refine your offerings. Stay updated on industry trends and consumer preferences to stay ahead of the competition and maximize your earning potential. By following these guidelines and staying committed to creating valuable digital products, you can establish a profitable online business and generate a sustainable income stream. Embrace the opportunities that digital entrepreneurship offers and embark on a rewarding journey towards financial success and fulfillment. Email marketing is a powerful tool for generating income by building relationships with your audience and converting leads into customers. To leverage the potential of email marketing, start by offering valuable content such as newsletters, exclusive offers, and updates to entice visitors to subscribe to your mailing list. Engage with your subscribers by providing relevant and personalized content that resonates with their interests and needs. Utilize email marketing software like MailerLite or HubSpot to streamline the process of creating and managing campaigns. These platforms offer features such as email automation, segmentation, and analytics to help you optimize your email marketing strategy and track performance metrics. However, it is important to be cautious of the limitations of free software options and consider investing in platforms like Gbolt systems for more advanced features and customization options. By investing in a robust email marketing system, you can access tools for A/B testing, advanced reporting, and integrations with other marketing platforms to enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns. Implement best practices such as optimizing subject lines, personalizing content, and maintaining a consistent sending schedule to improve open rates and engagement with your emails. Monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure the success of your email campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. By following these guidelines and adopting a strategic approach to email marketing, you can unlock the full potential of this digital marketing channel to drive sales, increase brand loyalty, and ultimately generate income for your business. Embrace the power of email marketing as a cost-effective and efficient way to connect with your audience, nurture leads, and achieve your revenue goals in the digital landscape. Selling services such as building WordPress websites can be a lucrative venture when approached strategically. To kickstart the process, leverage free resources like local business databases to identify potential clients in need of website services. Target businesses with outdated or ineffective websites that could benefit from a professional and modern online presence. Craft a compelling pitch highlighting the importance of a well-designed website in today's digital landscape and how it can drive business growth and customer engagement. Emphasize the value proposition of your services, such as responsive design, SEO optimization, and user-friendly interfaces to showcase the benefits of working with you. When engaging with potential clients, focus on building trust and credibility by showcasing your portfolio, client testimonials, and successful case studies. Once you have secured a client, collect upfront payment to ensure commitment and financial security for your services. Deliver high-quality WordPress websites that meet the client's requirements and exceed their expectations to establish a reputation for excellence and customer satisfaction. By providing exceptional service and attention to detail, you can build long-lasting relationships with clients and secure repeat business and referrals. As you continue to grow your service-based business. Consider expanding your offerings to include additional services such as website maintenance, content creation, or digital marketing to cater to a wider range of client needs and increase revenue streams. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in web development to offer cutting edge solutions and stay ahead of the competition. By following these guidelines and adopting a client centric approach to selling services, you can establish a profitable business building WordPress websites and position yourself as a trusted partner for businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Embrace the opportunities in the digital market and leverage your skills and expertise to create impactful and visually stunning websites that drive results for your clients. The key methods for making money quickly and for free online revolve around taking action and implementing the strategies discussed in the video. By highlighting the importance of proactive steps, viewers can start generating income through methods such as affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, email marketing, and offering services like building WordPress websites. It is crucial to encourage viewers to explore further resources and tools mentioned in the video to deepen their understanding and enhance their skills in the online money-making space. By leveraging platforms like Bluehost for affiliate marketing, Canva or Google Docs for creating digital products, and email marketing software like MailerLite or HubSpot, individuals can optimize their efforts and maximize their earning potential. Additionally, viewers are reminded to subscribe, like, and share the video to access more valuable content and stay updated on the latest tips and strategies for making money online. By engaging with the video and supporting the channel, viewers can contribute to a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial success and empowerment in the digital realm. Embracing a proactive mindset and being open to exploring new opportunities are key factors in achieving success in the online marketplace. As viewers embark on their journey to make money fast and free online, they are encouraged to apply the insights and techniques shared in the video to create sustainable income streams and unlock their full earning potential. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends and technologies. By following these guidelines and staying committed to their goals, viewers can pave the way for a successful and rewarding online money-making venture. But you are probably asking, how? Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action.